Hey gang, it's Leon. It's 2024 and I figure I would get myself an Xbox Series X because, well, I've had their online service Game Pass for the past 2 years now. It's probably been that long. And you know, this is the top tier Xbox that you should be getting, right? If you want to play like 4K, high res, 120 FPS kind of game. And yeah, I haven't gotten it. I've been actually using it on PC. And then also, I also have an Xbox S as well. So I was able to download some of those games and play it. But I feel like somehow I'm missing out. So yeah, 2024, I got me an Xbox Series X because it was on sale. This is a 1 terabyte SSD, by the way. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and then test on some of those games that people have been talking about. Okay, let's do it. Beautiful. Look at this. The wrapping. This is just beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the accessory real quick. HDMI. I'm pretty sure this is the higher res HDMI cord that they give you. That's, I guess, what they call ultra speed. Booklet. I'll read that tonight. Power cord, which is just a standard PlayStation power cord. And then we got ourselves a controller. Okay, another controller for me. Nice. Oh wow, look at this. This is like all black, including that right there. My other controller, my black controller, doesn't have that as black right there. So I guess this is a special edition for the Xbox X. That's actually one thing you did not know, did you? Is that this thing has a special edition, right? You guys tell me, is it a special edition? I feel like it is. 2 AA batteries, and let's go ahead and take the... Okay. Wow. She's a beauty. She is a beauty. Look at that. There's inside, there's some tint green right there that you can see. It's beautiful. Remind me of a GameCube that's like 3 times bigger. I don't know. Does that make sense? Okay, so looks like there are some feet right here. That means that I can actually lay it down this way, or I can stand it up, which is what, you know, they're advertising it as. What do you guys think? I mean, which is the best looking, right? I think standing up, obviously, is the best looking. Because laying down, I mean, who does that? Who does that? Okay, so in terms of ports, you got yourself Ethernet, obviously. If you want to play cloud gaming, things like that, plug that in. Or if you want to download games faster, plug that in. HDMI 2SS super speed, USB-A port. And then a storage expansion, which, by the way, these storage expansion, I don't know, man. I feel like they're a little expensive. With the PlayStation 5, you can actually buy more memory and install in there. And this one right here, they're trying to make it super easy for you. But I think there's only like one manufacturer that's really doing it, which is Western Digital, I think. All right, and in case you're wondering, in the front, there's one USB-A port, and then also a button to connect your controller if you buy new ones. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it right there. Power button right there. And this is probably the eject button for the disc. This is a very simple machine. I mean, the design is very aesthetically clean. It's beautiful. If you kind of look at it this way right here, and let's say move it over here, notice how the design, it looks like it's a circle green. You see that? But it's really not. I just think that design is just beautiful. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure you guys want to know how this thing runs. I have a 4K at 144 hertz monitor over there, so I'm going to plug this thing straight into it, and let's see if we can get smooth gaming on that thing. All right, yeah, let's do it.